number 10. What is the value of this expression? We have a decimal divided by a negative mixed number. Looks a little tricky, but let's get it converted so that we can work with it a little bit easier. Generally, when I take a question like this, I like to get them both in the same format. And I would rather work with decimals on both sides because a mixed number has a whole integer and a fraction, and it gets a little bit tricky. So let's just break it down and put it into chunks and use a table. Let's build it up in groups. 26.95 divided by negative 5.5. So one group, we're just going to take one group at a time, and we're going to look at our answer choices A, B, C, and D, and we'll just eliminate as we go. So we're going to divide 26.95, which is really close to 27, into 5.5 groups. We know our answer is going to be negative, and our answer choices are all negative, so that doesn't help us eliminate any choices at this point. So one group of negative 5.5 is negative 5.5. We haven't got to 26.95 yet. So, but if we look at A, we know that's not going to work because that is less than negative 1 group. So A can be eliminated. Let's go to 2. 2 groups. So we're looking at 2 groups is negative 11. It doesn't eliminate. 3 groups is negative 16.5. So when we look at these, we still got plenty of options here. We still haven't eliminated anything. So 4 groups is kind of where we're trying to figure this out. So we've got negative 4.9, negative 3.3, and negative 5.3. So when we go to 4, we should be able to see exactly what's working with here. So negative 22. So 4 is negative 22. We're not to 26.95 yet, so negative 22, so it can't be 4. So we can eliminate negative 3.3 because 4 won't work. Now, we go to 5, negative 27.5. That's over 5, 5.3. So that one won't work either. So when we look at our answer choices here, we've got negative 4.9 as our answer. You could divide this out with an algorithm, but I think repeat addition, if you have trouble with the algorithm, this is one way to see it. It makes it a little tricky with mixed numbers and decimals, but you can always throw things in a table and eliminate as you go. Our correct answer choice, B, negative 4.9.